Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Captured Memory. Today I am going to unbox this keyboard. Okay, so you can see your keyboard.
Redragon K617 Fizz 60% wide RGB gaming keyboard.
Okay, so without delay, let's go to unbox the keyboard.
So this is a boys hostel, as you all can see, and today is Sunday and all of them are enjoying. This is our Priyanshu Dai. Hi Priyanshu Dai.
Hi, Sai.
Okay, so let me take all to the Krishna. This is our Arjun. He is just starting. So
Actually we have already unboxed it while getting delivered. हम लोग ये अभी डिलीवरी लिए Amazon से और इसका unboxing already हम लोग कर चुके थे because we need to verify whether the keyboard is here or not, and whether our ordered product is accurate or not. And again I am going to unbox it for you all to show what is inside and how it is looking. So हम लोग को शुरू में तो स्टिकर मिल रहा है यहाँ पे रेड ड्रैगन का, एंड आफ्टर स्टिकर वी हैव ए कीबोर्ड. भाई बजाने में मजा आ रहा है, पर कोई बात नहीं, इसको भी सेट रखते हैं. एंड व्हाट्स नेक्स्ट, रेड ड्रैगन का कुछ मैनुअल, इसको भी साइड रखते हैं. और यहाँ पे शॉर्टकट की भी दिया गया हुआ है, की फंक्शन इंट्रोडक्शन FN प्लस समथिंग समथिंग. और ये मैनुअल साइड में रख रहे हैं, आप खुद पढ़ लीजिएगा, कितना है तो खरीदना है तो. एंड ओ सेट, इसका नॉर्मल वायर दिया गया हुआ है, नॉट अ ब्रीडेड वन. एंड इफ यू डोंट नो अबाउट ब्रीडेड वायर, लेट मी शो यू. दिस इज द ब्रीडेड वायर. देखिए ब्रीडेड वायर कैसा होता है. अच्छा, दिस इज द ब्रीडेड वायर, बट इसमें नॉर्मल वायर दिया गया हुआ है, पर फिर भी वायर बढ़िया क्वालिटी का, ये वायर बढ़िया है. एंड लेट्स कीप दिस साइड एंड व्हाट्स मोर. एंड हियर की कैप पुलर. लेट मी शो यू हाउ इट्स लुकिंग. ओके, so this is key cap puller.
okay, leave it for now.
नया कीबोर्ड, इसको नहीं चलाना है अभी. Oh,
One extra space button is also provided here. So it is just red in color and you can easily exchange it or replace it if you want. And next, here is 4 swappable red switches. So in case if your any switches of your keyboard is not working well, so you can replace it. And here is one escape button as well, so you can see. Okay, let's put it back.
In the case if your keys stop working, then you can replace with this, so you don't have to go to any shop. These are the originals, these are the branded. So let's see, can you say the price of this keyboard? All right,
and so this is all about the component, what's inside the box. And talking about its price, it's cost around 2500 IC Indian currency, and we have ordered it from Amazon. And you can see its build quality, it's in 60% form factor. So कीबोर्ड सच में बहुत छोटा है, दिखने में बहुत क्यूट है. यू कैन इजीली, इट्स पोर्टेबल, यू कैन इजीली टेक इट टू एनीवेयर.
एंड ये है 100% फॉर्म फैक्टर वाला कीबोर्ड. एज यू कैन सी, ये वाला कीबोर्ड से काफी छोटा है ये कीबोर्ड. एंड इसका नम पैड हटा दिया गया है, हटा के छोटा कर दिया गया है. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट इट्स की, एरो की जो है, यू ऑल कैन सी नम पैड और एरो की यहाँ फिट कर दिया गया है.
एंड build quality of plastic only, nice only.
it's a polycarbonate, it's not of metal. So so in this range you are getting mechanical with RGB, right? So you can see the color of that RGB key here. So at night, if we get time, or right now only, we will try to show you, I mean, how it's look on its backlit. So can you show the backlit, I mean the color? So first you have to connect through, right?
Okay.
Just keep this.
Okay. So
So the Arjun is going to connect this laptop in his laptop.
And let me close the door.
Connect this keyboard to his laptop. So let's see. Let's turn off the light. Then we. It's not turn off the light. Okay. Look. Did you saw that? Did you? Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm feeling like Dosara. Can you listen that tick tick sound, bro? Once there. Look how amazing it is. Can you see how fast or how perfectly it's working, right? Okay. So word per minute was 51. So you can see how crazy or how exciting it is looking. Look.
So you will be getting here 20 preset backlighting modes, and which are obviously free to choose by the keyboard itself. And you will also get one pro software customizable provided by Redragon itself. So with that software you can easily adjust your lighting, you can easily adjust your color.
And this is about the light of keyboard. And talking about its verdict and talking about its disadvantage, and I have already told you about the arrow key. You will not get a dedicated arrow key in this keyboard as it is in 60% form factor. And talking about another thing, you will not get a rupee key button here. As you can see in this keyboard, here you will get a rupee key. You can press Shift plus 4, you will get the rupee symbol, but you will not get that rupee key here. So this is about the disadvantage of keyboard, and everything is nice, and even the build quality is nice, very good, very perfect with price range.
So the link of this product will be given in our description list. So if any of our viewers want to purchase this item, so they can go through it. This is not any kind of promotion or like promotion type of video. We have used this. We buy this laptop by doing so much research. And if you like our product that for helping you, we are leaving the link in the description.
And this is not any dedicated unboxing video only. We are giving you just a review of our product which we bought just from the Amazon. And if you like it, and if you like our review, and if you want to know more about this keyboard, please drop your question in the comment section and hit the like button. Thank you.